Yeah.
Doll, and one of those big bones is for Brandy.
Okay.
And then the squeaky toys and the little ball are for at your house here for both dogs, please. You got this broken so often they can play together with them.
Someone give me a UPS box?
What?
What if it's a FedEx box?
Do you record voices? Oh my God, she records voices.
Need scissors, babe?
Dad.
Yeah, FedEx will go in the trash.
Oh, don't cut like that, Luke.
What do you think is in there, Luke?
Huh?
What do you think is in there? Come on, give us a guess.
You don't want to know my thoughts.
How heavy do you think it is?
I think it's about 1.5 pounds.
What does that say? Did she write on what it was?
Animal wife?
Animal wife. No, I wrote that down to remember it.
Here,
Animal what?
Yes, thank you.
I got a bite.
What are they? Show everyone.
What is it?
I'm trying to show everyone. They're S&M tools.
What?
Oh, on video.
What are they, handcuffs?
It's a
So they're
puzzle.
puzzles.
It's a
Those are
puzzle.
puzzles. You have to figure out how to take each one apart and put them back together again.
Fantastic.
And I think they used to all be mine, right? Yeah, and it takes a while to figure them out, Luke. After a while, you'll be able to do them just like this, and then it won't be any fun anymore.
Oh, in a flash.
You can make a bet with your compatriot. You get it.
Let's wait. I want to see if one is horseshoes.
I don't know. We gave Rip someone. You probably know how to do the one if it's the one we gave Rip.
Yeah?
Lexi. Oh, I don't know how to do this one. There's one I know how to do though.
Yeah, it's probably the third one.
These look hard.
Well, once you figure them out, though, you can do them just like that. But they are hard to figure out.
Oh, look at that, Luke.
What does that look like?
It's like a face.
Oh, geez.
Looks like a vagina and two ovaries.
On film.
That looks like a muskrat trap.
What does this look like?
That's what you chain the cone of the bed with.
Like I told you, it went along with the S&M tools.
Anyway, you inherited the family puzzles. We don't want them anymore.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
I figured you'd be the one to sit there and
Are
figure
these
them out.
instructions?
All of them. Yeah, that goes with